Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple chocolate mousse. So to make a chocolate mousse we just need 3 eggs and 100 grams of good chocolate. So I'm going to ask you to advise you that one, okay? Or I had also another one with dark chocolate and orange zest. Or orange almond, which is very good as well. So this is completely depending. So do not do this recipe with a white chocolate because we need something quite firm, and in white chocolate, we call that white chocolate, which is not really chocolate because it's essentially cocoa butter, and the melting point of cocoa butter is very low. So it means at the end the mousse will not have the consistency, the right consistency. We need something quite firm. Now some tips to melt your chocolate. Some of you will use a bain-marie, which is quite a long process because you need to set up a kettle, having the hot water, blah blah blah. So I always use the easy option. During some of my class, some of my bakers told me that they don't like to use the microwave because they always burn the chocolate. The reason is that simple, and I'm going to give you some tips so you are going to avoid that in the future. Actually, what you should do is just use like section of, let's say, 30 seconds for start, then you stir, 20 more, and then you will see and you will feel how is the chocolate. If it's already, well, so you start with 30 seconds, 30 seconds is done now. And then you use the spatula and you just mix it. So obviously here at this stage the chocolate is still hard. So I will probably add that for more, 20 seconds more. So 20 seconds more, and then I'm going to see that if it's well molten. Might add just only 10 seconds.
Here, the little grain, it's not because I have a problem with the chocolate, it's just the almond and orange that I have. So it's not a problem at all.
And now we're going to whisk the egg white up to thick. Yum yum. Bon appétit.